Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing vaccination in the context of K-3, CR-1, or IR-1 visas. Now, let me just preface this by saying we don't know exactly how this is going to play out, but it does appear that beginning in October, we're going to have to start dealing with vaccinations as a requirement for parts of the medical examination in order to enter the United States. So the thing to take away from this video is if you have an appointment before October to get to do a visa interview, that's probably going to be a good thing for you because you're not going to end up having to deal with this requirement. Not so much from the standpoint that I have any problem with vaccination. That's not the purpose. What I'm talking about is if it can have a tremendous logistical impact because there's all these logistics associated with getting the vaccine, then having the second dose, and then the time thereafter. So I could see this causing some consternation in cases in the coming weeks, especially as this requirement is initially being brought online. Before I get a big barrage, especially for my own clients, if you don't already have an appointment, appointments are pretty few and far between at the moment. It's pretty difficult to get an appointment set right now. They only have a certain number they're dealing with. They also are apparently dealing at the embassy. They're dealing with certain regulations and rules regarding how many people they can have on their premises at any given time, and that's dramatically reducing the number of cases they're able to process on a daily basis. So appointments are a bit scarce. In theory, some miracle could occur and maybe you could get an appointment within September, but I would presume not. Always sort of hope for the best, but plan for the worst. So those folks that don't yet have an appointment, you're probably going to be looking at having to deal with a vaccination from October and beyond.